Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another episode. Well, there we have it, you guys. It has been confirmed that Unompumelelo and Umpumelelo are no longer together, you guys. That whole trailer that they showed us before the actual episode of Izingane's Temple was, like I said, it was just there to get us talking, you guys. Umpumelelo did not take out amalobolo for Unompumelelo. He was just basically there at her family to do the right thing, which is to pay basically what was due from him. So Umpumelelo does basically say that the reason why he is prioritizing paying Unompumelelo's damages over his kids is that Unompumelelo is no longer in the picture, you guys. And he says that he would rather deal and finish Izinto Zomuntu that is no longer in the picture so that the person is not nagging him anymore. He did also say in one of the previous episodes that he doesn't want to start Istembu Saike by people calling him a liar. But I'm just like, sir, if they really did call you a liar, would they be lying? Would they be lying because what? Hey guys, when I even saw the amount of money that was due, I'm just like, hey, maybe we should do a separate video on that on its own. But there we have it, you guys. Kahle kahle, Unosipho is still the one who is leading the pack at the moment. Or should I say that Iskundla, or the seat of being a Mamkulu, is still currently vacant, because up until Umpumelelo marries Unosipho, then we can say that seat is taken. At the moment, they are all girlfriends, and at this point, guys, anything can change because this is Umpumelelo that we're speaking about. But someone made a point and they said that the fact, remember, Umpumelelo was Umpumelelo's first girlfriend. She was a virgin and she was Zulu. And it was maybe an unfortunate thing for Unompumelelo to leave, and that automatically pushed Uvuyokazi to be Umamkulu. But this person was saying, kahle kahle, Umpumelelo, that has always been his intentions, to marry a first wife who is Zulu, a virgin, and yeah. And then Unompumelelo left, and then maybe he could not tell Uvuyokazi ukuthi hayi phela, even though you're pushed up to Mamkulu, these were my plans. Because Uvuyokazi basically does say that you had the chance to do that with Unompumelelo. You had the chance to marry her, and she was the virgin, she was Zulu, but you did not do that. So kahle kahle, that has always, I guess it has always been in Mpumelelo's plans. It just could be that it did not go his way, you guys. And hence now he resorted to taking Unosipho, or making Unosipho as a possible first wife. But that is it, you guys. Tell me what you think about this whole thing. I also want to talk about, guys, do you think Unompumelelo dribbled Umpumelelo? Because the way I'm looking at things, I know for sure that Umpumelelo must have loved Unompumelelo. But I'm just like, what if Unompumelelo played with Umpumelelo and Umpumelelo thought he was playing with her? I'll ask you guys. We'll talk about that in another video. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.